Who's Randy?
Have a blessing.
Some wild hair.
I went to the store the other day and I picked up these Pocket Juice battery packs for $3.99 each. They're 4,000 milliamp hours and come with a micro USB cable, which is great if your phone is supported. I did find these on Amazon. They're a bit more in price, but you can find them at the first link below. As for cases, I decided to go with the SPIGEN Slim and Soft Liquid Air. It's pretty awesome and has a textured back, which I love. I've been using this case every day since I opened my iPhone and I have no complaints. I decided to go with a 3-pack of MAXBOOST screen protectors, an Amazon Choice product, but it came with a tag that said iPhone 8, so I was reassured via email the fit would be good. It was. So remember those battery packs I mentioned? I'll be giving one away, and to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below letting me know why you want it. I'll leave all this link below for you so you can check it out for yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.